Hello friends, this is Kathan Desai here from MPharm Semester 1 Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Here I am presenting you the synthesis of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. So first let me share my screen. Here, our aim is to prepare para-nitroaniline from acetanilide. Now first of all, whenever we are going to perform any practical, we should collect all the requirements given to us. So here the list of requirements are chemicals: acetanilide, glacial acetic acid, concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4, 70% of sulfuric acid solution, and 10% sodium hydroxide solution. What are the apparatus that are required? Conical flask, beaker, pipette, glass rod, Usher funnel, etc. So first, let me show you the reaction and the mechanism of this synthesis. Here it is the mechanism and reaction. So in the reaction, this acetanilide is undergoes the electrophilic substitution in the presence of fuming sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and it produces two products: orthonitroacetanilide and para-nitroacetanilides, in which para-nitroacetanilide is one of the major product. So reaction mechanism, as I have told you that it is the electrophilic substitution reaction. So sulfuric acid and nitric acid that both combines and they made NO2 plus, that is electrophilic nitronium ion, plus H3O plus and 2HSO4 minus. Here it was by mistake. I have written 1 mole of H2SO4, but there is 2 mole of H2SO4. Now this electrophile nitronium ion NO2 plus that will react with the acetanilide in the second step. This acetanilide and electrophilic nitronium ion combines and it produces the para-nitroacetanilide and liberate the sulfuric acid. So now what is the procedure to produce the para-nitroacetanilide? Procedure is very simple. Take dry acetanilide 25 grams approximately to glacial acetic acid in a beaker, and then introduce a concentrated sulfuric acid slowly with the constant stirring. Here it is very mandatory to constant stirring to obtain the clear solution. Now place this beaker into a freezing mixture of ice and salt to cool the or to decrease the temperature below 5 degrees Celsius. Add a cold mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid for the purpose of electrophilic reaction. So add both of them dropwise with constant stirring to a reaction mixture while maintaining the temperature below 5 degrees Celsius. After adding all the mixed acid, remove the beaker from the freezing mixture and keep it for 1 hour at a room temperature. So it will come at the normal room temperature. Now pour this reaction mixture into as ice cold water, approximately 30 ml, and to obtain the crude product of para-nitroacetanilide. Now if the temperature rises, then major product will be orthonitroacetanilide. So it is mandatory to decrease the temperature to get para-nitroacetanilide. Filter it on suction. Wash with the cold water till free from acid and recrystallization is done. So, melting point is 214.5 degrees Celsius. So what is the calculation? So molecular formula, there are three parts: theoretical yield, practical yield, and percentage yield. In the theoretical yield, it is calculated by simple method. Molecular formula of acetanilide is C8H9NO and its molecular weight is 135 gram per mole. Now molecular formula of para-nitroaniline is C6H6N2O2 and molecular weight is 138 gram per mole. In the theoretical yield, 135 gram of acetanilide that forms 138 gram of para-nitroaniline. Therefore, here we have taken 25 gram of acetanilide that will form how much amount of para-nitroaniline or para-nitroacetanilide. That is our theoretical yield. Practical yield is what we are obtaining through the practical. And percentage yield is practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. So let me show you one video of the preparation of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. Here are the list of requirements that are needed for the practical. First, transfer acetanilide into small beaker and then add 2 milliliter of glacial acetic acid. Stirring is necessary to form the uniform mixture. Now add H2SO4 dropwise while stirring continuously to make the clear solution. Keep the beaker in an ice bath. Now add cold mixture of 1 ml of concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 to perform the process of electrophil substitution. Here it is the production of nitronium ion. As I have told you, the temperature is very crucial step in the process, because if the temperature rise about 10 degrees Celsius, then it will eventually made orthonitroacetanilide. That is not our product. We want para-nitroacetanilide, so we have to keep the temperature below 5 degrees or 10 degrees Celsius. So take out the mixture from the IBAS and keep it to room temperature. Adding this solution to a distilled water, it is the formation of white solution precipitates. So here it is the product of para-nitroacetanilide. What are the precautions that we have to taken during the procedure, during the practical? So as you know that concentrated H2SO4, HNO3 and glacial acetic acid is very corrosive. So please wear mask and proper protective equipments, or you can say material to for your safety. Acetanilide is also toxic. Thank you so much, friends, for this much convenience. Okay, I am now ending my session. Thank you so much.